I'm Roosevelt K. Thomas, and I'm a manufacturer tech level 1. Welcome to Cirrus Aircraft. It's time to get started. Cirrus Aircraft Grand Force branch is associated to be the manufacturing plant. We start firstly with the fly according, then you have to go to layup. From layup, it goes to the bagging. From bagging, it goes to the oven. That's what we do. We have this thing we say, clean as you go. So that's you working, you gotta keep cleaning up. So it's clean, very healthy, and it's very peaceful. And it's amazing because you do the hard work, but you don't even know that you are doing the hard work because the environment, the manager, and everyone just take you through it. So you don't even know that you are building a plane, or you feel like you are still home. This is my first job actually with Cirrus Aircraft. So I was like really afraid also and say, how is it gonna be like building a plane? I got no idea. But it's very simple and easy once you are dedicated. So if you want to come in, you're thinking like, I don't have the expertise, I don't have the quality to what? No degree, no whatever, no portfolio, whatever. It's just that you have to put yourself in a job. It's simple as it is. Cirrus Aircraft have a real good room if you want to advance your career. It's up to you. Based on your hard work, your discipline, your focus, your passion, it's up to you. No one's going to stand in the way. So if you really want to work at Cirrus Aircraft, you should come with the mentality of putting your input. Because that's how I feel when I'm working and building all these planes. I feel like I have someone's family who's gonna get on Cirrus Aircraft plane, so I gotta do it with my all. So the more I'm careful and dedicated to my job, the more Cirrus Aircraft have a good reputation and they have more clients. So the more I save life, that's how I term it to be. We are creating the next generation of air travel. Apply now at cirrusaircraft.com/career.